The Revenger Mini Kit in 60 seconds. You know, it's said that great things come in small packages, and this couldn't be any truer for the Vaporesso Revenger Mini Kit. This kit has all the grand features of the Revenger X packed in a compact-sized device, establishing this as a perfect travel vape. This internal battery mod tops out at 85 watts, although that doesn't mean that the mod lacks by any sense. The Revenger Mini has 6 complete output modes that will allow you to use the device how you like. Utilizing Vaporesso's Omni board chip, this mod has a quick charge system with several USB and voltage protections. That way you can be up and vaping as quick as possible. This kit also includes the Vaporesso NRG SE tank with a 3.5mm capacity that pairs beautifully in size with the Revenger Mini mod. This tank will also be able to use the GT Core series, offering you several options to pick from when it comes to the coil. On top of that, there's an innovative mesh drip tip that helps to prevent spitback. This tank delivers a rich flavor with smooth vapor and performs like a dream. Vaporesso is sure to stand tall amongst the crowd with the next go-to setup, the Revenger Mini Kit. You can find this kit and many like it at VapeWild.com today.